it was just journaling of my pandemic hobby that has brought me on the cover of Forbes. I don't know. It's surreal. We've done makeup, but we've always somewhere judged ourselves while doing it, and we've been a little apologetic about it. I've been in the scene for quite some time now, and I've gone through different formats of content, and I've always found my audience. So it just gives me the belief that I am made for this. I remember lockdown में we were left to ourselves and हमको सब खुद करना था. And I think lockdown में क्या हुआ था कि मैं मम्मी के साथ वीडियो शूट करने लगा था and मेरी मम्मी को बिल्कुल मेकअप करना नहीं आता. By that time I still had one concealer that I used to put under my eyes क्योंकि मैंने अपनी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट से पूछा हुआ था, बट मम्मी को कुछ नहीं करना आता था. बट मम्मी को आता नहीं करना. मम्मी के पास एक फाउंडेशन शेड है जो ना उनका है, ना मेरा है, ना हमारी पूरी जनरेशन में किसी का इतना गोरा शेड था. इट्स लाइक एक पता नहीं कहाँ से उनको किसी ने इतना गोरा फाउंडेशन शेड, जैसे मम्मी ब्रिटेन में पैदा हुई है, और एक टूटा हुआ कुछ लिपस्टिक पड़ी है. आई वाज लाइक अच्छा इनसे ही मिला विला के कुछ करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है. तो स्टार्ट मिक्सिंग थिंग्स अप, माई कंसीलर और फाउंडेशन व्हाटएवर, एंड वी रियली एंजॉयड दैट पार्ट. एंड देन आई रिमेंबर कि मैंने अपना एक मेकअप वीडियो डाला था of me doing my makeup and talking about how men find it so odd to do makeup. And I'm saying something very serious. I'm saying things like कि आपकी masculinity एक powder से नहीं ढक सकती, like it's not that shallow. And before I knew it, that video blew up and it got more views than any of my videos ever had. And that, coming from a comedy creator, was a shock to everyone. It was a shock to me. I was like, okay, wow. People are actually finding sense in this, and you know, it's hitting the right people. And then the amount of DMs that I got from like little boys, teenage boys telling me that, you know, हम छुप के makeup लगाते हैं, but this one boy told me that, you know, I steal my mom's makeup and I apply it रात को. And ऐसा नहीं कि इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद I'll tell them that I love makeup, but now I feel less guilty about it. And that was so beautiful, and I was like, okay, this is beautiful. And then I started doing makeup on my mother, and I recorded a vlog, and then people loved the candidness of my mother and me while we were doing makeup. That day I realized कि आप जब अपना मेकअप करवा रहे होते हो ना किसी से, आप तब you are 100% yourself. There is zero pretense. You're barefaced, but you are authentic. You're not pretending for anybody, and this is who you really are. So if you want to catch someone in their element, go to them when they're doing their makeup. That was the whole concept behind Wing It with Ankush. That's how it started. It was just journaling of my pandemic hobby that has brought me on the cover of Forbes. I don't know. It's surreal. Even though the list was about 100 creators of the country, right? In my father's head, and that is a big deal. Forbes is a huge platform, and I could have never imagined as a creator being featured. And more than that, I don't think there's ever been a male beauty creator on the cover of Forbes. So that was a huge deal for me. There have been boys who've messaged me saying that, you know, we've done makeup, but we've always somewhere judged ourselves while doing it, and we've been a little apologetic about it. But your videos, it may not make huge changes in our lives. It's not going to change the people around us, but at least, like this one guy, that's what he told me, that now I feel less guilty about doing it. Like I'm not doing anything wrong. That boy told me that he used to think that he's doing something like that should be in the dark, kept in the dark, like he can't talk about it to anybody because he's doing something wrong that he's not supposed to. And then he realized that, you know, no, it's normal, it's okay. Like you feel like doing it, I also feel like doing it, it's fine. If we as men allow other men to be themselves, they won't have to hide, right? So why is the onus of changing anything on the people who are bearing the brunt of this judgment? You know, to the boy who's hiding in his room doing makeup, I don't have to say anything to that boy. That boy is doing what he wants to do. I want to say this to every other man around him. Stop making him want to hide. It's as simple as that. I've gotten my confidence when other people told me that I'm funny. The truth is that, like, as much as I appreciate my audience and everything, I know that I still depend on external validation to feel confident. So मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता मेरा क्या हाल होगा if, you know, that is taken away from me. I don't know if I'll go back to being underconfident like I always was, or will this confidence stay back? I don't know. That's a fear that I have कि once I'm irrelevant, what happens to like मेरे mental health का क्या होगा? But again, that's the gamble that you play if you're in this. Also, I feel with the internet and with how fast the internet is changing every month now, I feel like internet आपको जितनी जल्दी ऊपर चढ़ाता है वो उतनी जल्दी भूल भी जाता है. And it's nobody's fault. The thing is that you have so many options. My definition is not a comedy creator or a beauty creator. I'm a person who does comedy, who does beauty, who wants to act, who's auditioning, who's doing this, who's moved to Mumbai to make it in films. That's how I want to be seen. I don't want to be seen for a viral video or 2 viral videos or 10 viral videos.